to highlight some of the trades of the day in our portfolios within the NinjaTrader 8 platform. These are strategies that we've discussed a lot lately. The V reversal combination 24, V reversal 1, and gap fill combo, which includes continuations 2 as well. And so these are for today, Monday, March the 11th. I'm going to play this back in max, and I have it set up right in the pre-market. So this should go pretty quickly. You see the short trade in the gap fill combo is part of a continuation pattern added for a 2024 pattern, and it hits its profit target pretty quickly. And these are some 2024 updates that I recently added, and the open code is in my book. V reversal 1 gets long not long after that exits, and so you can see V reversal 2, which is part of the combination 24, gets in, and then the market comes back a little bit like it's going to threaten to stop it out, and then it hits its 100-point profit target on V reversal 1. Comes within a half a point of its profit target on V reversal 2. The market pulls all the way back to the entry, a little bit past the entry, and then later in the day it rallies again, surges just above these highs, and then hits its profit target, which is 100 points as well. There's a 100-point profit target in these V reversals on the Nasdaq. We're trading the June Nasdaq, and you have a 16-point profit target on the gap fill and gap fill combo, which is a combo of a continuation and a fill. So it hits its profit target right there on V reversal 2. And so good trades on the day. Our portfolio strategies were net profitable. Our portfolio strategies included the V reversal 1 and V reversal 2 trades. And so the links for these strategies are in the description below. And wanted to share the market replay trades with for the trades of the day and NinjaTrader 8. These are strategies also in TradeStation and multi-charts as well. And I wanted to be able to do a market replay. I haven't done one of those in a while. I wanted to highlight that. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.